Okay, ladies, we've got a big orange bag this time. It's bigger than last time, but it cost me less money. So we're going to open the bag from Temu. I also got my new sublimation ink. Don't need to open that. But let's get at it and see what's in here. I have a feeling because they're shipping 2 orders. So this is the first one, and it's so big, I think it's got my granddaughter's bedspread in there. I should have had some scissors out, but let's open it and see what's in here. I can tell you it's not a lot of paintbrushes because I ordered the paintbrushes the last time. Pretty happy with most of them. I'm going to tell you, if you want paintbrushes, though, pay the extra little bit of money for the better paintbrushes because the cheap ones are cheap. All right, here we go. Are you guys ready? Oh, that one's cute. All right. Sorry, because when I did the last opening, everyone said I talked too much and that it took me too long, so we're going to speed through this. Hi, Lori. Let's see. Oh, guess what this is? My husband's going to say, what the heck are you buying? Okay, does anybody know what this is? Look here. It's kind of canvas, and you lift this up. There's a little door there. I know what it is. Hi, Sheila. Hi, Barbara. It is a potato grower. So, in fact, I did buy some potato starts the other day. You fill this with potting soil. You put your potato starts in there, and you set it outside. And then, as your potatoes grow, you open the door and you grab your potatoes right out of the thing. We'll see if it works. But it is like a compost material, so that's pretty cool. In fact, my husband's going to love it because he's like, why did you go buy potato starts? Because I can go to the store and buy a 10-pound bag of potatoes for $5. I ordered 2 of them. It's going to cost me that much in potting soil. All right. Hi, Sandy. And this one, see what we got. I can tell you that they wrap their stuff very, very well. So I can't get into it too fast. This is, can you guess what it is? It is a thing that I saw Colleen had one, and you can put, well, I'm not going to put my paintbrushes in there, but you can put your pencils, whatever, in there. It's nice and narrow, and it will go over there on my desk. Oh, guess who gets to clean the mini blinds today? We'll put my grandkids, who are 6 and 10, in charge of cleaning the mini blinds. I don't remember what the prices were on here. I will drop the link. Ah, you got some seat covers. Good deal. So I will drop the link down below after my live because I have an affiliate link. And if you use that, you get $35 off your first order. Isn't that cool? Oh, so I bought the air fryer parchment paper things. Those were really good. Now I've got them in the silicone. That way you're not throwing them away. So, and these are heavy. So those are for the air fryer. Imagine they'd work in the microwave too, because isn't it a pain in the butt to clean an air fryer? Oh, you want to see? Of course you want to see. You wouldn't be here. All right, here is my shower curtain. You all know that I love the Highland cows. All right, I got to stand up for this one because this one's going to be hard for you to see. My husband's going to say, what the heck? Are we living in a rodeo now or what? All right. It says, get naked. Now that I can show you. All right. It's a nice shower curtain. It's fabric. Very nice shower curtain. I'll put it up and then I'll add a picture. Because you can't, I don't have enough screen area for you to see that big Highland cow, which is right down there. So I'll take a picture of it after I get it hung up. And they even sent me shower hooks. So that's good. All right. I thought that this was cute. I ordered it to put over here in my shop for the grandkids, but it's a number bank so that, they can put their money in it or my money in it, like when they owe me my change. And then it's just a little toy gadget. But I thought it would be fun for them. And it will tally up. Maybe not. It doesn't look electronic. Hold on. You have to open it with a password. You have to use batteries. Oh, you can talk to it about opening it with the password. I don't think this was very much. It's just kind of a gadget toy. Hi, Donna. Okay. It is plastic. It's not metal, kind of like I thought it would be. But they slipped the dollar bills in there and the coin change up there. And then there's the door where you open it. Not quite sure how it works yet. But somehow it's kind of a piggy bank. Okay, I got it some shirts. More Highland Cow stuff. Oh, I loved the shirts that I got the last time. They all fit really well. I ordered extra larges. I normally I'm kind of between a large and an extra large. So I do like the fit of their extra larges. Now I did see some people say that they fit differently, so you need to check the chart. Oh, I love this one. Jolene, you can have him. Isn't that cute? I love that one. Now this one does look, are you the same way as I am? It's like, I'm kind of not that big. That looks pretty big. And then I put it on and it's like, I guess I am. Hi, Cindy. I wish I would have flipped the camera over. Oops. That's not going to work, is it? Let me see. Sometimes it lets me. It's not going to let me this time. Sorry. So the words are different. But it's got the cow print on the bottom. Jolene, you can have him. It is a extra large. And I do not see the kind of material that it's made out of. But it's not cotton. It's got to be some kind of nylon. But it's not that crunchy material either. It's a very soft fabric. All right. You know the song or that saying that was really popular on the reels? Holy Spirit activate. And it has the cougar print on it. They used to do something on TikTok or whatever with it. But look at the bottom of those shirts. It flares out so that it's not pushing against your stomach. So that, when you're walking around, people don't say, man, she's awfully old to be pregnant. It's perfect for that. I used to get that when I was younger too. Oh, what did you do? Didn't you hate that? Well, if you order, use my link because you get $35 off your order. Brittany ordered the other day. Oh, this is cute. This is an extra large. I think this is more cotton. Just a little moody. I think this one was $6.95. I think the others were $8.95. All right, and then this goes in my bathroom. I won't open it. Wash Up Buttercup. Got more stuff than I thought I did, and I still have another package coming. Hi, Melissa. Hi, Yvonne. Then we got a, I think it's a body scrubber, if I remember right. Oh, you put your soap in here. Put the cap back in there. And then you have a body scrubber. Cool. That way you're not dropping your soap in the shower, then bending over, hoping you don't fall to pick it up. Oh, it tells the price on the outside. I don't see any price on mine. If I come to a statement, I'll let you know. But yes, and if you download, use that affiliate link and click that coupon download, they will, if you download it on your phone, they will give you a $100 coupon bundle that you can use in different ways. Oh, this is just a small container that I'm going to use in my bathroom for Q-tips. So they, you know, it has the opening where they just fall down. I have the door here on my new building has, I don't know, it's a brand new building, and the door kind of at the bottom, it kind of goes up. It's a little bit that way, but this is a draft door stopper that you apply to the bottom of your door. I guess I bought 3 of these to go in a row. And this would be good for like makeup too, if you have room. I guess I bought a few t-shirts too many. Here's the next t-shirt. Oh, guys, watch your sizing. I did not look at them. This really is big. It's an extra large, but it's okay. Oh, I wish I didn't have it backwards. Could be a train station kind of day. If you're a Yellowstone fan, you know what that means. But I love how they are so wide here at the bottom. Go right over those big hips I got. Like that. Oh, I guess I got another canvas print. I got a lot of these on the last one, thinking that they were framed. When you buy a canvas print, you are getting a canvas print. They're very nice. And I got a lot of people that sent me some different ideas. You can frame them. You can buy a canvas, decoupage it onto the canvas. I like the thought of making it into a scroll. I don't want to tear a hole in it. So here we got the Highland Cow canvas. Very, very nice. These things are so thick. And if you save these pool noodles and you have one that goes vertical, you could hot glue this like here and then make it into like a scroll banner sign. Only if it goes the other way. Oh, what did I get? I ordered 3 of these, 4 of these. No. Wash up, Buttercup. I now am the happy owner of 4 metal signs that all say the same thing. I don't know if I made that mistake or they did, but all right. I'm gonna have to share some t-shirts with my girls. No, Colleen. I got the pregnancy stomach still. Oh, and they're long. Don't you hate it, especially when I teach exercise classes, that my shirts, you know, they're too short, and then when you reach up, they see your belly and stuff like that, and that's not good. So they are very long, and they are very roomy at the bottom. Yellowstone Dutton Ranch. So I don't know. If I order more, I may order my true size of a large. Okay. I'm still on the Highland Cow kick, so let's see my new blanket. See how it feels. It is a, oh, actually it's pretty heavy. It would be, you know, it's not like a big comforter. It is a really nice and soft blanket cover. And it's big. It is like a, you know, some of those throws you get are kind of small. This one is longer than my arm span. So that is a really nice blanket. We're almost to the end, I promise. All right. Another oh, no, this isn't a t-shirt. This is an ugly dress. It's an ugly dress, guys. Yeah, it's ugly. It looks like my grandma's house coat, actually. It does not have the sparkle that it shows in the picture at all. And it's ugly. The whole, there's the sleeves. It would be good for a night dress when you go to sleep. That's about it. I don't like the material on this one either. It's not a good material. So, yeah, I don't like that one. It'll be good for summer sleeping. Yeah, didn't like that. So skip the dresses. Okay, then we got some kind of hose thing. Oh! The heck? I'm not quite sure that I ordered this because it's a vacuum hose. Oh, this is to clean your dryer. You know, your washer and dryer. You put this onto the vacuum cleaner somehow, and you put this down in your lint drawer, and it's got an adapter, and it cleans out the lint in your dryer. That's what it is. All right, ladies, I think that is the end of that bundle. What I did order that hasn't got here yet was a pink plushy fur bedspread for my granddaughter. So that is probably what is in the next thing to come. So that's it. I'm going to clean up my mess. I'll see you guys again later. Bye, everyone.